Iran is a vast country spanning an area more than twice that of Pakistan, with a population nearly one-third of ours. Rich in natural resources, Iran possesses the second-largest gas reserves, fourth-largest crude oil reserves, and significant non-fuel mineral resources. The people of Iran, called Persia until 1935, are deeply proud of their history, culture, and language. Historically, Iran is an ancient land, with recorded history dating back to 550 BCE, when Cyrus founded the First Persian Empire, the Achaemenid, the fourth king of which, Darius, expanded the borders of the empire to include territories from Anatolia to the river Indus. The Sassanid Empire ruled Persia for nearly 9 centuries, from 224 BCE to 651 CE. Towards the end of this empire, Muslim Arabs and Persians came face to face in the Battle of Qadisiyah in 636 CE, germinating a lasting rivalry. Since 1979, Iran is an Islamic republic. At no point in this historical journey of over 2,500 years, the nationalistic fervor of the Iranian people ever diminished. In history, language, art, and culture, there has been considerable congruity between the Persian mainland and the territories of Pakistan. The Persian language spread to India in the 16th century when the Mughals adopted it as the court language. Al-Amr Iqbal is well known in Iran as Iqbal-i-Lahori. Much of the poetry of Ghalib and Iqbal, as indeed the national anthem of Pakistan, are in Persian. Iran was the first country to recognize Pakistan on August 14, 1947. Iran is also the country that hosted the first embassy of Pakistan abroad. Over the decades, Pakistan and Iran have maintained cordial relations. Notably, barring a few irritants, there is no major dispute between the two countries. Despite this enormous goodwill, the tangible bilateral cooperation is far below potential. Some argue that the US sanctions imposed on Iran had undermined prospects for bilateral cooperation, while others blame the absence of political will on either side. On balance, the positives of the relationship far outweigh the negatives, and can thus help the relationship flourish to its full bloom. In this regard, 3 issues, energy, border, and trade, are of critical importance. As Pakistan's neighbor, Iran should have been a natural choice for sourcing our energy needs. The Iran-Pakistan Gas Pipeline Agreement, IP, was signed in 2012, but fell victim to US and UN sanctions. The successful conclusion of the Iran nuclear deal, JCPOA, in 2015 raised hopes, but unilateral withdrawal of the US from the deal in 2018 kept Iran under US sanctions. In 2022, the Financial Action Task Force also blacklisted Iran. These factors have stalled Pakistan's efforts to implement the IP project. Iran has often hinted at imposing penalties on Pakistan for not implementing the IP agreement. For its part, Pakistan has tried to invoke force